sine 5 to the power, sine x to the power of 5 minus cos x to the power of 5 equal to 1. We want to find x. X is what? For this problem, we pay attention to unit circle. Okay, so the vertical line shows what? Shows sine. The horizontal line shows cosine. We have this part. Let's consider this first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. And also let's consider endpoints. Okay, in this part x is 0, in this part x is pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2. So if x equal to 0, let's consider first these 4 endpoints, and then we consider these regions 1, 2, 3, and 4. If x equal to 0, sine x is 0, because the vertical part is sine, so it is 0. Minus cos is 1. Minus 1 equal to 1, it's not good. If we consider x equal to pi over 2, this point, then sine is 1, cos is 0, and it's okay. So it is one of our answers. If x equal to pi, sine is 0, minus cosine is -1. -1 to the power of 5 is +1. It's okay. So another answer is this. If we consider x equal to this point, 3 pi over 2. And this point, sine is -1. So -1 to the power of 5 minus 0 equal to -1. It's not good because it should be 1. So we found two answers between these 4 endpoints. Now let's consider the regions. In first part, this part, sine and cosine, both of them are positive. Okay? Now, we want to consider, can it be 1? We know that sine 5x, sine x to the power of 5 minus cos x to the power of 5 is less than sine x to the power of 5. Because cos x is positive, we have this. And also we know that sine x is less than 1 because it is not endpoints. Here x is what? Greater than 0, less than pi over 2. Because we consider endpoints here. So sine 5x, because sine x is less than 1 when you raise it to the power of 5 is also less than 1. And then what can we conclude? We know that sine 5x minus cos 5x equal to 1. Let me write it here. 1 is less than 1, so that's a contradiction. So here, let me tell you let's consider two. I want to consider a part that both of them be positive to show you. And you can solve the other two parts by yourself because it's not hard. Let's consider also 2. In part 2, sine x is positive, cos x is negative. Okay, so 1 equal to sine 5x minus cos 5x. And we know that sine 5x is less than sine squared x. The reason is this. In both of them, in sine x, we know it is less than 1. So, because sine is positive, we can divide by sine cubed x. So, sine squared x. So, sine cubed x is less than 1 if we divide by sine squared x. And we know it is correct because sine is between 0 and 1. So, sine 5x is less than sine squared x. And also we want to prove that negative cos 5x is less than what? Is less than cos squared x. The reason is this. If we divide by cos squared x positive, we can divide. Negative cos cubed x is less than 1. So, it means what? Cos x, we said, is negative. Okay, so, and it's greater than 0, less than, between 0 and -1. So if you raise it the power of something, again, it is between, from here, we know that, for example, cos cubed x is also between -1 and 0. So then if you consider -1, 1, if you multiply by -1, the sign will be switched. Negative cos cubed x, 0. So here we proved this part. Now, it is less than sine squared x plus cos squared x. We know it is what? By Pythagorean theorem, it is 1, famous identity. 1 is less than 1, and that's again a contradiction. Okay, so we proved it is not possible. Try to check 3 and 4 as homework and comment your answers right below this video. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks, bye.